Hey everybody, this is Ray from Car Freaks. I have a Traverse in the shop today and it needs shocks put on it. So we're going to dive right in here in a few minutes. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make some comments if you want to. Tell us how you like our videos. Hit the notification and give us a thumbs up, that like button. And we're going to dive right into this. So we're going to start off by taking the wheel off. And we'll take the shock off and put a new shock on it, so it shouldn't take too long. Okay, here you can see this is the bushing that's supposed to be up inside here, and it's all wallered out. So this is what it's supposed to look like with this bushing up in here like this, and then it's centered in our shocks. So this one here is definitely the bad one. We're gonna pull this out. Okay, that's how that one comes out. As you can see, it's pretty hammered out. So we're going to go ahead and put the new one in. And we're going to take and put a little bit of anti-seize on them threads, which will make it a lot easier to come apart the next time. Helps lubricate and stops it from seizing up. So, because the more miles you get on these, and the salt and snow and everything that we have here in Michigan, the more important it is to put that anti-seize on there. Okay, there you have it. Now what we're going to end up doing is we're going to put some anti-seize on the studs and put the tire back on, and there you go. So there's our video for today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit a like, leave us some comments. Let us know what you think. Bye.